precautions and all of that. So, them take this thing very serious, which is, it is serious. And mask, you have to wear it indoors at all times, unless you eat or drink. When you're on the outside, you don't really have to wear it, but I guess you wear it if you want to. For the people that are vaccinated, or whether you're not vaccinated, you still have to wear it just the same. They have sanitizers set up all around the ship, so as you walk, there's a machine, boom. Them have sink where you can wash your hands, so every time you enter a restaurant or leave, you have to wash your hands and dry it and everything, and then seat you. Then separate the tables them 6 feet apart and all of that. Okay, when you're going to a theater, each row, you have a set of people, each row blank, then them seat you at the next row, like vice versa. What else is there?
You can't touch the silverware. They're bringing you silverware. If you need something to drink, they're bringing you drinks, no matter if it's coffee, soda, alcohol, if they're providing it for you. You can put up your own trash or everything, but they're not collected and stuff. There's no dispensers or whatever you may need as far as, condiments and stuff like that. You have to request it from where you get your food from, because they don't have it out. So technically, you're not touching nothing that somebody else is already touching. They're going to provide you everything that you need on a cruise. Even the irons, there's no iron inside. So, if you request one, of course, you take it back to sanitize it and set it up for the next person. So I think that they definitely get an A+ for sanitation and being on people about, hey, you need to get some sanitizer, or you need to wash your hands. So I'm glad that they take it serious, which makes me feel safer. We're uncomfortable, yes, we just put our mask on even if we're outside.
Right.
Depending on how many people is around us. But I think they did really, really well. Oh, and the safety thing is, if you ever been on a cruise, they normally walk you to the boat, which is doors, explain all of that. They do that all on a video.
Yeah.
You get to watch.
Or over the intercom.
But you do check in with the deck crew and say that you are here. So, a couple things change, but I think it's much better for right now.
Right. And on the ship, they split the capacity in half for people. So, yeah. And also, every minute, somebody will walk around, they might clean the rails, they might clean the doorknobs, all of the stores them and work. Where you go in, they might clean everything. You have to sanitize right through. And even for the nightclubs and entertainment, they only allow a certain amount of people in it at a time. So you have to wait until them people they come out, or you just find something else to do.
Yeah, they're definitely still doing social distancing, as well as in the elevators. Everybody can't pile up because if they're not in your party, they don't get quiet.
Right.
You may have those people that don't mind, but it is signs around saying if you're not in the same party, don't get on the elevator.
Right.
I'm happy about it.
Yeah, I'm happy about it. So far, everything has gone good. And yeah, I feel safe, and we still go above and beyond to make sure we extra safe with everything. So, 6 feet apart, wash and sanitize, just the same. Bathe every minute. So yeah. Alright guys, we just want to get a quick update there, just in case you want to book a cruise. Why not?
Why not?
Why not? So every deck have this map. So as you can see, we are here and I show you exactly the areas them, and around here it show you what take place on each deck. So you can see I show you everything from dining, entertainment, shopping information, youth activities. Yeah, so that is very convenient. And here, so for the elevator, I say 1 party or 2 individuals per elevator. So yeah, they might take everything serious, right? Yeah, so see there, sanitizer everywhere you go, So yeah, everybody have to in their mask and everything. So yeah, it's a good look. Oh yeah, and even for the restrooms too, them say maximum capacity 3 inside or less at one time, so that is good. Alright guys, so dinner night, fancy restaurant, and the theme is Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah, then come over restaurant. You see them have a little Caribbean cuisine, so you know who are running for it. The great me. I've been trying fancy food all day. Alright? All day for the past few days, so you know, midday, this is the rice and peas, the Roman raisin, and I think they might have something like a crab here, but just for that. Yeah. And that's what I got today. Loving your shirt, babe. My drink, Malibu pineapple.
Blue Hawaiian with Sprite in it.
Oh, yeah, baby.
It's hidden treasure. Look.
I know.
Alright, so appetizer, it's crab cake,
How big is it?
sauce, I don't know what kind of sauce it, but just
That-
look divine.
I'm getting 2. You never had a crab cake before?
Is it real invitation? Then you have a little tartar sauce.
Oh, no. No tartar sauce. I don't think I like it.
That's good.
Pirate love rum. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Rum is the best.
Yeah, exactly. Mine too. This is Bacardi.
Bacardi.
Yeah, I like Bacardi a lot. I drink a lot.
Steak, cabbage. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, a little bit.
Huh?
Oh, thank you, sir. Just need a little bit of salt and pepper. But
Tell me bring 2 Sundays. Yes. So
Oh,
you
can eat. How about
rum and raisin sundae.
That's for you. The Sunday.
No, he says, I saw you, Catherine, on the video. That was you.